Hi, today I want to discuss with you regarding how to make ganache. In the market, there are different perception regarding how to make ganache. Whether you wanted to use real chocolate, means couverture chocolate, what kind of chocolate you have to use. That is one option. And can you use a non-dairy cream to make a ganache? The answer is yes, anything can be made. That the choice is yours. How rich you wanted to make a ganache. So you can make using a 35% dairy cream. You can make a blended cream. You can make using a cooking cream, even a non-dairy cream, even sweetened cream also you can make a ganache. Then the question, so this is clear. So you can make ganache using any of this cream. It will be perfect, but only thing, the variation, the mouthfeel will be a bit different compared to the 35% dairy cream to a non-dairy cream, a sweetened one. So there will be a bit difference which only the professional can understand. And then, can you make a ganache using compound chocolate? The answer is yes. You can make even ganache using compound chocolates. The ideal to make ganache is, there is nothing called ideal for making ganache in reality actually. So people will not come to know about what it is made of. Yes, there's a people who is used to have a premium range, then they'll understand about that. If you use a dark chocolate to make ganache, it will be very good with that 35%. So the end result will be, it will have a good shining, it will have a good mouth feel. That's it. So you can make a ganache using any of these combinations. Even you can make with milk chocolate also. You can make with milk chocolates, white chocolates, compound chocolates. In compound also different versions. So at the end, you can make it. You can make a ganache. The end result, that depends upon how much, what price you wanted to put to the customer at the end of the day. Means the rich you wanted to make, then you have to use the couverture plus the 35%. Then as per the price variation, you can negotiate, or it's not negotiation, you can use different variation as per your budget. One more thing I just want to add it, that what is the purpose, for what application you are making ganache. You can make, it is for making cake, you can make this for fillings, you can use for making chocolate also. But if you make a cream, ganache using cream, the shelf life will be less. You cannot keep that much. Whereas whatever is available as a ganache in the market can be kept as 1 year. So that in a commercial purpose, people usually use the commercial ganache. Whereas in a cake, which the shelf life of it will be maximum 3 days, that purpose you can use ganache, or a real chocolate which being consumed immediately. So these are the main purpose. Thank you.